Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add the tab in WordPress page or post. So whenever you want to create tab based content, you can use this particular tab block in WordPress using Spectra page builder. So what we can do here is go to WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new, and then we will check for Spectra. Right, and here we can install and activate this particular plugin, right, and then we will move to the pages where we wish to use this. So let's say I create a sample page within which I can use this particular block. So if I scroll to the bottom and choose this plus sign, then click on browse all. Now for Spectra blocks, you will have to find the tab. So looking at the bottom here, you can see tab. So it will allow me to create tabbed content. So already we have some sample text and we have tab, right? So if we use the aligning option, you can see that if I use this particular, it will go back to here. If I press on this, it will move to the next tab and so on, right? Now here we can even choose preset, say something like this, where we don't have those circles to put tab on. Simply use the mouse over these links. Then we have circular tabs where we can put the mouse over. Then we have this vertical option, right? There is another vertical. Okay, so either one of these you can edit. You can even edit the layout. So if it's vertical, there are also styles for that, right? So we can pick between the various options, right? We can also change the tab titles, set their alignment, right? And we can enable icons, right? And then we choose the icons, right? So let's say if I pick something like okay, so let's pick something like this. We get the icon like this here. If I shift to something like simple thing, right? So if we choose okay, so these are the balls, so it looks good. Now what we can do, we have seen how various sort of editing these tabs works in tab title, layout and presets, right? So we can now update the page and see the tabs in action, right? So based on your current design, you can see this is the first tab, then second, and then third. All of them have the same content, so you won't be feeling any difference here, right? So you can change the content here to see if this is actually working. You can also add remove the border like this, and can also blend this with your own theme so that it looks better.